That sun is like directly on me. It's evening time. Guys, I am at the dog park with my wonderful wife and our wonderful dog named Kitt. As you can see on the way in here, he usually whines. When we come over here, he knows where we're going. This is his favorite place to be. Well, today's video is going to be of Kitt. And it's going to be some updates I got for the channel. Good updates, actually. And maybe some updates about this white junk growing out of my head. You know? Yeah, that stuff. What we do is we let him get as much sniffers in as he can. And what we do is we slowly walk ourselves right on to yonder down here. And that sun will be out of our way. Out of our eyes here in a minute, and he'll come up full speed. Then we'll take the gun, well, the ball gun, and we'll shoot it. He'll go back and get the ball and sometimes bring it back.
The ball shooter.
Yeah, ball shooter. One of the updates I have for everybody, I have on my channel, if you go look at my channel, I have things in categories. I haven't been that active. Oh. One second. Hey, Angie.
Yeah.
You know the car that's over yonder there, could that belong to that gentleman coming down right now with his dog?
Yeah.
Might be. But anyway, yeah. I just hope that he don't bring his dog in here with our dog. But anyway, I have things in categories, right? And I haven't been too active with that over the past couple years. I'm going to be making new categories, like for our adventures, and cover bridges and all kinds of stuff. That way it just be easier for the viewers' eyes. That's the first update. And sometimes we have to chase the ball, but that's okay. There, Kitt, he sees the other dog. There's a older, nope, actually there's a lady. Let's see what he does. There he goes. There he goes. That dog's not even on a leash. I'm so glad you're inside here, Kitt. It doesn't look like a mean dog or anything, but it's an older dog. And the Kitt's like, I see the dog. Okay, Kitt. Alright, let's get back to the video, guys. Now, I do most of my videos on the weekends, guys. The vlogs that you see that I'm doing now is on the weekdays, and most of my videos are done on the weekends because that's when I have most of the time. Now, we've been discussing some things. We're just gonna do some fishing tomorrow. It's gonna be a good day for it. Probably the last fishing day of the year, but we're gonna take advantage and do other things. We're gonna go get some other beauty shots. So I'm trying to learn my new camera. In order to learn it, is use it as much as I can. Now I want to go out there, and I don't know if you noticed or not, but Angie and I has been putting some miles. Oh yeah, when we go on these adventures, we've been putting some serious miles on, because we've seen everything within a 50-mile radius of us. We got to go out of our little circle and go further away places. Yeah, that was another update. Now, sometimes when you throw him the ball and he grabs it and he takes off with it, you got to watch him because he's going to drop it somewhere. We've already lost 2 balls over here because of that. Now let's talk about the third update. It should be the last one unless I think of some more. Hey, Kitt. Uh-oh, Mom's going to shoot the ball. I got the ball right over here, buddy. There he goes. Hey, bring it back. So one of the things I'm trying to teach him to do is bring the ball back to me when he gets it, or come to me directly when I holler for him. Kitt, come. Come. I've been having troubles with that. Why do I teach him that? Because if there's another dog being released in this dog park with him, and sometimes that happens, they don't even ask you if your dog is friendly or not, or scared of other dogs. They just release their dogs in here. I want Kitt to be able to come back to me, so we've been working on that. Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to say this is the last update because I may have another one, but it is an update that has to do with this white crap growing out of my head. It's been over about a month and a half ago. I made the video stating the fact I'm going to grow my hair back. Now, as far as this stuff right here, I grow that in every year anyway. So this isn't this. No, don't pay no attention to this. No, only to this.
Ready?
Okay. Angie's going to shoot the ball. It's been a month and a half that I've been growing this in. And I'm going to tell you now, I said I was going to grow it into Christmas. Remember? I made the video and said I'm going to at least grow it into Christmas. Then I made some other changes and said I'll be growing it in until spring. I'm about 98% sure I'm cutting this damn thing off in about a day or two. I can't handle it. I don't like it. Whenever I look at my rearview mirror and I'm driving down the road, I was like, who the hell are you? And to be completely honest with you, if there was two things that was different about growing my hair on my head, I probably would keep it. One is if it was my original hair color, which was black. The other is if I didn't have this thinning spot right here and the bald spot right yonder there, which is funny me saying this, because I'm going to shave my head back off to being bald. But if I didn't have that, I still grow it. It's the fact that it's coming in, it's very shallow here, and it's growing slow there, and I'm not liking it. I'm absolutely freaking hate it. Yeah, I do. So, needless to say, Sunday is going to rain all day. Yeah, sad to say, it is. I won't be able to get no video footage out on Sunday. So expect probably a couple of these things right here. Vlogs. So Sunday, since we'd be indoors, we do have things we could be doing indoors, obviously. But that'd probably be the day I cut it back down. So after the next couple videos, you'll probably still see me with the hair. And then, yeah. Actually, you'll have one more video after this one with the hair. Then, if everything goes the way I'm thinking it might, the one after that won't have no hair on my head at all. No. Now, as far as this goes, I am going to keep it trimmed. I'm not going to let it get as bushy as I usually do. I'm going to keep it trimmed down. But yes, this don't go nowhere. And I actually may keep this. If I keep it trimmed, I might actually keep this permanently. Because with this, makes all of this a beard instead of just a long goatee. On that video I made that I'm going to shave my head, there was some gentleman left a comment on there, says, don't ever cut this, man, don't ever cut that, just remember how long it took you to grow that. I left a comment back, I said, don't worry, it ain't going nowhere. No matter how freaking white this gets, I don't care. It's just it bothers me up here, not down there. That didn't sound right. And once we get done with this side, we like to hop over on this side. As you can see, that's where Angie and Kitt's at now. And the reason we go over there is because that's where the water fountain is. The water fountain here still broke. Although we do have water on board in the Defiant in case another dog was to get on that side. We carry water with us, but nobody's here but us. This is a beautiful place. This is definitely my dog's favorite place to be. And there's only one other one. He's just as happy to be there. And that's the Versailles State Park. But this right here, whenever we come, although you didn't hear it on the video, but he, as soon as he gets into his eyesight, he whines. He whines because he can't wait to get in here. And one would think, well, he just loves to go in there and play and chase the balls. I don't think that's it. I think he's smelling all these other dogs that's been here. And believe it or not, there's other dogs here. You know, one on one side of the dog park, the other one on the other. Kid go right up to that fence and say, hey, how you doing? My name's Kitt, you want to play? Then when that dog starts barking, Kid's like, no, you're being a nuisance. No joke. Don't know how much longer we're going to be here because they changed trick-or-treat times as we've had rain, believe it or not. and which may be in a favorite to us, by the way. So tonight's trick-or-treat time, so we want to try to make it home. Oh, we ain't gonna make it home in time because it's supposed to start from 6 to 8 and it's already 12 minutes to 6. So, but yeah, we do have candies. I mean, last year we got every bit of one person. We used to get a lot of trick-or-treaters, but not so much anymore. All right, let's go play with Kitt. Angie put both the barrels, or both the balls in the barrels. Let's see if we get them. Hey, Kitt, ready? We're gonna shoot both barrels. Hey, it's like a 12-gauge shotgun, huh? She had both the balls in there. You getting tired yet? No, you ain't getting tired, is ya? Is ya? What? You ran all the way over there because you smelled something, huh? Didn't ya? Didn't ya? Come here, Bubby. Come here. Kitt, come here, honey. Come here. Good boy. Now sit down up. Go see where Mommy's at. Kitt, you ready? Go get it. He does love to chase these balls. Now, we like the smaller side, which is here. Technically, this is for the smaller dogs, but like I said, it's the only side that has a water fountain. But I absolutely love the bigger side. Oh, yes. Okay, you ready? Go get it. Okay, see if we bring it back. Hey, Kitt, bring it back. Come on, Bubby, bring it back. Hell with you, Dad. What Angie and I are doing, we're writing down in a notebook all the places we want to go and do have an adventure at. We're writing it down. And I told Angie, I was like, even if it's 2 hours away from home, let's do it. You know, let's just write them down, write them down. Of course, we got to count for days because winter is around the corner, so we got to count for rainy days. Got to count for days that's too snowy to drive or just too snowy. And also got to count for them days that it is just downright cold. Yeah, that's the other thing too. I was wondering, by me having hair on my head, would it help keep my head warm? I don't think it would. All right, I'm gonna put down the camera and have some fun with my dog. Have some fun with my dog.
Have some dog with your fun?
Yeah, I'm gonna have some dog with my fun. And I'll see you guys for the my closing thoughts, whatever they might be. All right, see you guys a little bit. Hey, Angie, you want to hold this camera in your pocket?
No.
Seriously?
Yeah,
I don't want to put it down on that bench behind me.
Fine.
Fine. I'll be back in a little bit, guys. All right, one more gate to go through. Ready, Bubby? All right, now the car's right here. Come on. I think a dog peed on that cone. All right, ready? Let's hop on in. Get on in there. Okay, to me. Good boy. See, we got to take this off, because if we don't, he'll chew on it on the way home. Okay, the playlist is what I was trying to think of earlier. Yeah, when I do my editing next, which will probably be Sunday, since it's going to be raining, I'm going to add things to the playlist. I'm going to put things that's already in the existing playlist. That way, for viewers, for you all out there, if you want to go look for certain videos, there you go. You know, but I'm not going to put all my vlogs in one playlist now. But you know what I mean, certain adventures and stuff. Why not? All right, guys, let me go ahead and jump in here. Let's see if we could be home. Let's see. Time. It is right now 6 p.m. It's going to take us about 15 minutes to get home. I would almost guarantee no trick-or-treaters would have went by the house by now. We only had one last year. All right, leave your comments down below. And yeah, if you got any comments about this, just remember, by the time you leave a comment on it, it may be off. By the time you see this video, more than likely, it's already shaved off. Until next time, come on, let's get out of here.